Hey guys, Maggie Wolfendale here for The Buzz. While it's not uncommon for an apprentice jockey to have success at the very competitive Saratoga meet, Wilmer Garcia not only had his share of winners, but it was about the abundance of long shots and the big payoffs he brought in that made it a summer for racing fans to remember.
It's no surprise to me that Wilmer wins on a lot of long shots. He's improved in his riding skills a great deal since March. And he goes out there with a plan, and he puts every horse in a position to win. He doesn't go out there thinking, I'm on a long shot, I can't win. He's thinking how he can get it done, and he's succeeded a great deal.
I think Wilmer's a good jock because he's very patient with horses. He knows where to be, and he has the guts to go through the rail, and he tries on every horse.
Kid did a great job upstate. Cannot remember the last time a jockey, let alone an apprentice, had the kind of season upstate at Saratoga. Bomb after bomb. He finished up the 40-day racing season with an ROI, a return of investment, of more than $20, riding in the toughest jockey colony in all the world and in one huge field after another. A great job by Wilmer upstate.
Now it's autumn here at Belmont, and Garcia has picked up right where he left off. Take last Saturday's finale at Belmont, for example, where his mount Boys Night paid $80 to win. For The Buzz, I'm Maggie Wolfendale.